How y'all doing? This is Cascadia Coast News. Now, what in the hell was this sound in Northwestern Ontario? This happened November 20th, 2019. I know it's a little bit old, but still, this kind of gave me chills. I don't know, what do y'all think?
Oh my God.
He and his wife and grandson first heard that howl when they were walking back to their car at the end of the trail along the Vermilion River, about 45 minutes from the town of Sioux Lookout. Initially, Mikas thought it was a moose or a bear, but the experienced hunter quickly realized that it was a sound he's not familiar with. Mikas posted 2 videos on YouTube where they have since gone viral, racking up 2 million views. Bigfoot, Sasquatch, a wolf, Mikas says we may never know.
What do y'all think that was? I preferably think it was Sasquatch. I got some pictures that I'm going to be uploading to my channel pretty soon. I was hiking up in the Willapa Hills, and I found these huge footprints, and they look like Sasquatch footprints. So I'm going to be uploading that pretty soon. I just got to go over the thousands of pictures that I have and find them. Anyways, y'all have a nice night.